many mountains to get some confidence? How many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass.
Got an apple crisp macchiato and they spelled my name right, and it tastes just as good as last year, except for this year they started doing it with oat milk, and I told them just make it the way it was created last year with 2%. And they also have the brown butter chocolate chip cookie creamer, which is what I've been wanting to try, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this while I'm here, because if I don't it will get gone. Okay, look, they have Holiday Nog Nut Pods Creamer, almond and coconut based, I guess. They're all special edition. They have peppermint mocha and pumpkin spice out now. I also finally spotted these in store. I got a PR package with some of these in here. You guys probably remember it and you said you couldn't find it in stores. Well, here they are. They are all in stores now. This is Ingles, so go get you some. Man, when did they start making these huge pumpkin pie spice creamers? Have they always made them that big? Also, this seems like it would be a summer release flavor for me, or spring, but Bluebell just released this new strawberry lemonade ice cream. I thought it might be old, but I looked on their Instagram and they just posted a pic of it being new. But that buttered pecan right now sounds really good. Oatmeal cream pie, yum. Butter crunch, yum. They finally have some Halloween candy out here at Ingles. They've got the ghoulish green Twix, $4.98. That's really expensive. Also, never seen these. I know these are new this year, but the mini harvest handfuls, the Cadbury, I guess eggs, but maybe they're calling them pumpkins. I don't see that though. Reese pumpkins, yum. Reese's. Okay, we've got some Happy Halloween Pockies, strawberry cream covered. It's just decorated Halloween-ish. Lots of candy corn. I might grab a bag of this because my kids and Alex love it. They also have the caramel apple candy corn, which I'm pretty sure I seen this last year. I can't remember where. It could have been here. And I tried it. I wasn't a fan. I like the regular. They also have these cute little cookie cutters. I really like the bat and then the pumpkin too. I feel like the other ones may not turn out very well. I mean, unless you were to decorate it cute like those. I have never seen these assorted chewy fruities. Tori and Howard, are these new? I think these lip pops or lip lollipops are really funny. Just imagine walking around with that in your mouth. And then we've got some Russell Stover chocolates, some really angry glow-in-the-dark looking Kinder Joy eggs. They also have this fun dip right here. I don't know how it's supposed to be like Halloween. I mean, it has a spider web, but that's about it. Okay, so they have the Nerds candy corn here, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, just this weekend, I found this exact same bag of the Dollar Tree. You've probably already seen that video. Here at Ingles is $2.78, and it's probably similar in other grocery stores. Also, we have some Peeps Skulls, which I don't remember these from last year. There's tons of Halloween candy, but I'm mainly just trying to show the newer stuff that just came out this year. Have the Peeps Monsters. They may have had these last year, I'm not 100% sure. And then I just found the caramel apple Brock's candy corn. I was not a huge fan of these. I don't think I was anyway. They also have the Witch's Brew Kit Kats back, and then I saw these. I do not remember these from last year. The Russell Stover Pumpkins Caramel. Not sure about this. I also just randomly found these pumpkin spice flips laying right here, just out in the open, ready for me to film. They have the cookies and cream fangs. The Franken Cup are back. The Franken Cup Reese's from last year. They also have the Sour Punch Spooky Straws. Okay, don't let this box fool you. This is literally just candy corn in a Jelly Belly little bag. Let's see how much it is. It doesn't even have a price tag on it. I do not want to know. Also, they have more Pockies over here. They've got chocolate cream, and then they also have cookies and cream. They just have this Halloween packaging. Also, premium chocolate fall assortment. They also have the caramel apple. I can't remember if this was a thing last year or not. Y'all will have to let me know if you remember this. Okay, this is my first time finally seeing the pumpkin spice English muffins. I know a lot of people have been asking about these. They also have maple French toast. Here is the pumpkin spice swirl toast. Yum. I don't like pumpkin spice though, so you know. Also, when have they ever had banana swirl bread. I have never seen this before. Is this new? It says new look, same great taste, but I've never seen this. All right, so the video that you just watched, I filmed that probably, I don't know, a week ago. And I wasn't even gonna upload it because y'all, truth be told, a lot of times I go in stores just to get one thing. Like I went into that Ingles to get that coffee because it was the first day Starbucks had out their fall menu. And then I saw all of the goodies and I was like, I cannot help myself, I have to film. If I had to say there was any con to being a YouTuber that shops all the time, it would be that every time you go into a store, you don't feel like you can just look. You feel like you have to film because what you see then may not be there next time and you want to share it with all of your friends, which is you. So I'm going to add a little bit to the end of this video. It is like a week later, but I have some goodies to share with you, some PR I've got in, some reviews, some new products. So let me show you. And I'm going to save the very best for last. Okay, maybe not the very best for last, but everybody loves to see Piper. So there she is, beauty. These I got from Target the other day. You probably saw them in my haul. They are good. They just don't give off a huge apple flavor like I expected them to. So if you were wondering, that's how I feel about those. Okay, now these are pretty cool. I want to see if I can try to find somewhere to sit you guys up on. Okay, I'm gonna sit you up on these pumpkin spice cupcakes and Twinkies. I think I've already showed you guys these. Oops, a little sneak peek of what I'm gonna show you last. It's the best. All right, so as I was saying, these right here are the Tootsie Roll Harvest Chews. These are exclusive to Walgreens only, so that's the only place you can find them. They have cinnamon, caramel apple, candy corn, and pumpkin spice. Y'all know I love candy corn, and I was the most excited about the candy corn, but the candy corn, honestly, just tastes like wax to me. And I know that's what people say regular candy corn tastes like, but that is my review of that. But the caramel apple, y'all, it is so good. Do you guys remember the Fruities from back in the day? I think they still sell them at Big Lots. It tastes just like a Fruity. I would eat this right now, but then I would be chewing it the whole time I was speaking to you. So I'm not gonna eat it, but that's exactly what it tastes like. The blue Fruities were my favorite, but that, delish. And then you have the cinnamon and the pumpkin spice, and they're meh. You know, it really just depends on your taste preference. I don't know if I've showed these yet. I have shared them on Instagram, and I get a lot of this PR and stuff like that because of my account on Instagram called Snack Scavenger. If you don't follow it, you're missing out, especially if you love the first part of my videos where I always show the new grocery finds. I share them on there like every day, lots and lots of videos, pictures. Go follow that account. It's so much fun over there. So these are the new Goldfish Dunkin' Pumpkin Spice Grams. I didn't really read that they were grams, but they sent me 2 packages and I tasted them and they were delicious. I was expecting not to like them. They're so good. They're really good paired with coffee, so I highly recommend trying these. These are also new. These are the Ruffles Ridge Twist. They also have them in like, I think a queso, but this is the smoky barbecue. And this was actually a substitute. And I was like, oh my gosh, like best substitute ever, because I had been looking for them and I couldn't find them. But I will say that the twists, the Frito-Lay twists are better. These taste more like chips, but they're still good. Okay, and then y'all know that I am a huge fan of Auntie Nono's, and they just came out with 3 new seasonings. I always have a coupon code for you. I share it over on Rooster's Recipe, our cooking channel, and then I like to share it over here as well. But they have the burger seasoning now, which we used this last night to cook burgers, and they were absolutely so freaking delicious. So if you want to try the trio or anything like that, I don't know if they sell them separately, I'm not sure. Check the link in my description. You can click that link and use code Carla25. I think it automatically applies it. You'll save 25% and you get free shipping. And then they also came out with the grilling seasoning. We have not tried this yet. I have tried it with my finger, and the steakhouse seasoned salt, and I think they're all really good, but we have used this on burgers and it's absolutely delicious. So just wanted to share those with you. Also, check out this PR I got in the mail. Like, I'm really excited about these Snickers shaker seasoning blend. I'm gonna use it on coffee and whatever else, toast, waffles, I don't know yet, but I'm excited about it. And I almost forgot, this is the creamer that I bought in Ingles that day. Honestly, I don't see why this should be seasonal or why it shouldn't come out all year round, because it's absolutely delicious and there's nothing seasonal about it. It's just Good. Now, what you've all been waiting for, enter the Mountain Dew Spirit Emporium. If you dare. Before I open it, is there any guesses of what could be inside? Ooh, it's a game board. A Voo Dew Mountain Dew game board. Spirit Halloween, okay. This is pretty cool. Ghost of Mountain Dew Voodoo Pass. You know they've had multiple mystery flavor Voodoos. It comes with a half of a bottle of Mountain Dew Voodoo. I'm just kidding. I've already tried it and drank it. And I will tell you my guess on this. If you don't want to hear the spoilers, then I would leave now. But I think this tastes like Sour Patch Kids. Or at least the blue Sour Patch or the blue Warhead. That is my guess. So we'll see when it comes out. But it's really good. This is their 4th time having the Voodoo Mountain Dew mystery flavor. And it's my favorite. So they were also generous enough to include a dice. But that's not the best part. It's the Voodoo Grim. It's a costume. It's a Spirit Halloween Mountain Dew Voodoo Grim costume. Oh my goodness. Like, how could you not be excited about this? It comes with a robe, hooded cape, hood, and gloves. So you can get it right now on Spirit Halloween's website. But I'm excited. Alex said he's going to be this for Halloween. And we're going to do a really cool reel over on Snack Scavenger. So again, follow us over there. I cannot wait. And who knows? I might show up wearing this costume in a video coming soon. So who really knows? Expect the unexpected. Just call me Julie Chin Moonves, right? If you know, you know. But first, if you enjoyed this video, you like seeing what's new, you like to see a little bit of funny, you have a good sense of humor, you like to see what's new in the stores, and you like to go shopping, especially from the comfort of your own home, I would highly recommend hitting that subscribe button down below because I would love to freaking have you over here on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.